ISTP individuals may exhibit specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Action-oriented approach. ISTPs are action-oriented, and when they like someone, they may express their feelings through practical actions rather than verbalizing emotions. Spontaneous adventures, known for their love of excitement. ISTPs may initiate spontaneous adventures or activities with someone they like, seeking to share experiences together. Observant and Analytical. ISTPs are naturally observant and analytical, and when they have romantic feelings, they may pay close attention to the details of the person's behavior and preferences. Playful teasing. ISTPs often express affection through playful teasing or banter. If they like someone, they might engage in lighthearted teasing to express their interest. Physical presence. ISTPs may demonstrate their feelings through physical presence, such as sitting close, offering a reassuring touch, or engaging in physical activities together. Independent yet available. While ISTPs value independence when they like someone, they find a balance between maintaining their autonomy and being emotionally available for the person they're interested in. Problem solving together. ISTPs are practical problem solvers, and if they like someone, they may enjoy solving problems together or providing practical assistance when needed. How to make an ISTP like you. Share adventure and excitement. Initiate or be open to spontaneous adventures and activities. ISTPs appreciate partners who share their love for excitement. Appreciate practical skills. Acknowledge and appreciate their practical skills and problem-solving abilities. ISTPs value partners who recognize and respect their competence. Engage in playful banter. Enjoy playful banter and teasing. ISTPs often use humor to express affection, so engaging in lighthearted banter can build a connection. Respect independence. Allow them the freedom to pursue individual interests. ISTPs value independence and are more likely to be attracted to partners who respect their need for autonomy. Physical connection. Show comfort with physical closeness. ISTPs may express affection through touch, so being comfortable with physical connection is important. Be spontaneous. Embrace spontaneity and be open to unplanned activities. ISTPs appreciate partners who can go with the flow and enjoy the unpredictability of life. Problem-solving collaboration. If faced with challenges, collaborate on finding practical solutions. ISTPs value partners who can work together to address issues in a pragmatic way. In summary, connecting with an ISTP involves appreciating their practical skills, engaging in playful banter, respecting their independence, and being open to spontaneous adventures.